Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Today, we're up on the mall in St. George's, Grenada. So guys, what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a small vlog, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you around on the mall. So first, guys, as I can see here, one of my Jamaican friend, big lady, a big woman, as I can see, still right here, guys. I don't know, be about this on the mall, guys. Guys, just watch the video and so I'll go on.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, guys, so this is the mall in Grenada, guys, as you can see. The animal, guys.
No. I don't know. It's my turn.
Yeah, guys, so when you come Grenada, guys, and come in St. George's, and you need your punch, like banana punch and banana and peanut, guys, you come on the mall. Guys, just before I go on over here, so guys, be about this. Guys, this is on the mall, guys, there. As you can see, we're on the mall. Guys, we just do a little vlog. Don't know things set up. Yeah, guys, this is Grenada Mall in St. George's. Guys, take a look. Look what I go on the mall, guys. Some nice watch, guys, as you can see. Guys, you can come and get an expensive perfume. So go on, guys. Yeah. Also your liquor. See the liquor stand. This is the liquor stand, guys. And you have some nice perfume inside too, guys. I'm gonna show you what I on. Guys, you can come and get a nice cologne set, guys. So I go on. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so if you love jewelry, guys, as you can see, so I go on. If you love jewelry, you can come over here, get some nice jewelry, guys. Secure.